Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing fine, you are safe and healthy. Today's topic is convert your failures into opportunities. See, every adversity brings with it the seed of an equivalent or greater opportunity. This is a quote from Napoleon Hill. So if you have failed in your life or if you had any problems, so what was your immediate response? Normally people complain, why it has happened to me? What should I do now? I lost it. And this is normal reaction, natural reaction, it is okay. Then after some time, when your frustration is over or disappeared, then you have choice to make. So study the problem or the failure, learn from it, make some changes, take action, and convert the future problems into victories, win in future. Every career changes mostly happens because of the failures, and you can change the failures to convert it into victories. कभी कभी जीतने के लिए हारना पड़ता है और जो हार कर बाजी जीतता है उसे बाजीगर कहते हैं. So this is a very famous dialogue from movie Bajigar. So it gives us a lesson that we should not worry about failure and we should not get disappointed with failure. We should learn from it and go for future victories. So how these adversity, failures or problems, they serve us. So it gives us perspective. It teaches us to be grateful. It teaches us some valuable lessons. It opens a new door. It builds confidence and self-esteem. Then it encourages us to make changes and take actions. So these are all benefits we can actually get from failures. So whenever you fail in your life, so you will have two choices. One is get frustrated, or second option is to learn from the failure and convert it into opportunity. See, definitely everyone will always have some share of failures in the life. So take the second step of learning from the failure. Even for making diamond, some pressure is required. So don't worry about the failures, don't get disheartened, and learn from the failures and convert it into opportunities to win in future. So that's all from my side tonight. Disclaimer, this views and thoughts are purely from my side and these are not from my employer or any other organization.